Hi guys, Peter and Kristen here. We continue to explore our multi-technique paintings where Kristen and I get to create a painting together.
And we had a special request from a special person to do a howling wolf. Alright, in this painting, we're going to do a moon with rays. So right about top right corner, just there, I'm going to do turquoise. It's going to be kind of the background color, so it's going turquoise, then some silver, then some purple, then some more silver, and then ending off with some black. So, and then I will swipe out some moon rays and see how it goes.
At this moment, I want to say thank you to all of those who have encouraged us through the past 6 months. We continue to face cancer and uncertainties, and so we really appreciate the joy and the encouragement. We also so much enjoy sharing these videos with you, and I want to challenge you to do one simple thing for us to continue that encouragement. Just like the video, and if you aren't subscribed, do so. These two things alone will make a huge impact on our channel when it comes to the YouTube algorithm. If you don't know, those two things allow our video to be shown to more people and get shared. So please take the time to do that for us. Every like counts. Alright, it's time for the moon and the wolf and the rock the wolf is standing on, and it's going to be only just 2 colors, white for the moon, black for the wolf. It's going to allow for a lot of the color to remain from the amazing rays that Kristen has made for us. So let's get to it. It so worked again. Oh, I love doing these things with Kristen together. It's just amazing to come and build these pieces together. I love how popping that wolf is. Thanks for watching.